Hey, the Dollar Tree school supply aisle has a hidden hack for you that I bet you haven't seen yet. Welcome back. I'm Jess of OK's Family Travels, and if you're getting ready to fly with kids, or honestly, if you're just the kind of person who gets joy from having snacks within arm's reach, I've got a travel hack that is ridiculously simple, surprisingly effective, and costs less than the airport charges for a bottle of water. Instead of buying one of those trendy bento snack containers or those fancy snackle boxes everyone seems to be showing off online, grab yourself a plastic pencil case from Dollar Tree. If you have a crappy Dollar Tree, Walmart usually has them for around $1, or you can upgrade to a fancy one like this, and it's still less than the ones on Amazon. So you get one of these and you put your snacks in it. That's it, that's the hack. Sometimes the best travel gadgets aren't gadgets at all, they're just school supplies wearing a different hat. Let's math it out for a second. A decent bento box can easily cost $20. Some are closer to $30. And if you're traveling with 2 or 3 kids, you've just spent enough money to buy approximately 3 airport pretzels. The little pencil case, $1.25. Sometimes even less at Walmart during back to school season. I got this one for 92 cents. If it gets scratched, who cares? If someone accidentally leaves it in the airplane seat pocket, you're out $1. Here's why these pencil cases are surprisingly perfect. They're slim, they're lightweight, they're clear so everyone can actually see what's inside. And they fit beautifully inside backpacks, diaper bags, purses, and personal item bags without taking up a ridiculous amount of space. Unlike bulky snack containers, they slide right into those awkward little spaces that somehow never fit anything useful. But wait, there's more. One thing that drives me absolutely nuts is opening a snack bag after traveling and discovered you've packed seasoned breadcrumbs instead of crackers. We've all been there. Granola bars become granola dust, cereal bars are smushy and therefore poison to a 2-year-old. A sturdy plastic pencil case gives soft snacks just enough protection that they don't get smashed by everything else in your backpack. All of your snacks survive the trip much better than when they're floating around inside a Ziploc bag, getting body slammed by your water bottle or tablet. Another reason I love this idea is portion control. Not in the we're counting every cracker kind of way, just in the let's not hand a 3-year-old the entire family-size bag of goldfish way. Kids do so much better when they have small portions they can work through, and they have their own little snack stash that they can met out as they please. We like to hit up Dollar Tree for small individual snacks before the trip. You could even give your kid the box and tell them to fill it at the store. We also don't need to pretend this is only for kids. Adults deserve travel snacks that aren't smushed too. And since we're not airport lounge people yet, this makes snacks much easier. One of my favorite things is customizing these. Going on a Disney trip, fill it with Mickey-shaped snacks. Road trip, they fit great in the back of a car seat too. Flying with toddlers, pouches do great in these guys. Traveling solo, it's entirely acceptable to fill yours solely with Nerds gummy clusters. No judgment here. Another bonus, cleaning. Unlike snack boxes with 12 tiny compartments, removable inserts, weird little hinges, and enough crevices to qualify as archaeological sites, this is one space. Hose it down or wipe it out, dry it, and you're done. No tiny corners hiding one lonely Cheerio for the next 6 months. Even though we're talking about flying, these work great everywhere. Road trips, theme parks, the zoo, soccer tournaments, dance competitions, waiting rooms, long afternoon running errands, basically anywhere someone says, I'm hungry, sometimes while they're actively eating. It's impressive, honestly. A couple of quick tips before you pack one. Wash the pencil case before using it. Stick with foods that travel well. Avoid anything super messy, stinky, or likely to leak. If you're packing refrigerated items like cheese, make sure you're following food safety guidelines and eat those first. A frozen sponge makes a great ice pack. You can even prep these the night before your flight and keep them in the refrigerator till you're ready to leave. Sometimes the best travel hacks aren't expensive, they're clever, because travel is already expensive enough. If I can save $20 on a snack container, that's $20 I can spend on something much more important, like a poolside jalapeno margarita. If you enjoyed this budget-friendly travel hack, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more mildly to wildly sarcastic but practical travel tips. And before you go, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite inexpensive travel hack that works way better than the expensive version? Thanks for watching.